welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today is another makeup tutorial. But if you want to see a body paint, that would be my last video. So I kind of just felt like doing a black with like glitter thing lip, and I kind of wanted an eye makeup look to go with it. So that's what we're doing today. So, yeah. That's what we're doing today. So to start off, I went ahead and first of all did my base, but then I went in with some like a neutral brown eyeshadow, like mid-tone I guess, and I put this into the crease. This is just going to be kind of a color to put in there because most of what I'm going to be doing is that blue eyeliner to go with the blue glitter that I'm doing on the lips. So I kind of want to just keep something to keep it a little more natural. So the next thing we're going to do is apply some blue eyeliner. And since I haven't done my winged eyeliner video, it's coming next week, I might give you guys some tips. What I like to do is start off with the wing tail, basically. I'll draw the line as far out as I want it to go or need it to go. Sometimes it's going to be a little shorter, sometimes it's going to be a little bit longer. Usually you want to angle it towards your tail of your eyebrow. That tends to widen the eye a little bit. Obviously that depends on your eye shape. And then I'll just draw that line straight to my eyeball. And then, you know, after that it's literally just following your eye shape. Obviously, depending on if your eye is more hooded or not, this will work better or worse. If your eye is a little more hooded, I would definitely do the wing first. That way, you know, with you looking at a mirror, so you can see how much of that wing is going to be showing, and then just line your eye afterwards. It might not be like when you close your eye perfectly straight across, but at least you'll see that wing when you're talking to people, you know? Hopefully that made some sense. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply some blue eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well. This was kind of weird for me because usually when I do a black lipstick look, it's literally just like a very neutral eye, some winged eyeliner, if any eyeliner at all, and then, you know, the black lip because I want that to be the focus. This time though, I want it to be a little bit different. Little bit. This is also totally inspired by the makeup looks that I do at 6 o'clock in the morning when I have to be at work and I need something quick to do. If you have your lips as the focus, you don't have to worry so much about the eyes, and that kind of like, if you're in a rush, that makes life a lot easier, especially if you have to look very put together and you want something, you know, whatever you don't want the focus to be on, put the focus somewhere else, essentially. So I just added some highlight, you know, that part's easy, and then I also added some mascara. For this, I didn't do any false lashes. I really just didn't feel like it. I know that's a big thing on social media, every look needs lashes, but like, in the real world, like, I don't use false lashes as much as I probably should. There are some looks that I do that really deserve some, but either I run out of time, or I don't have the patience, or I really don't want to screw up my eye look, so I just forego the lashes completely. However, for anybody who does want a tutorial on how to apply some false lashes, I'll have that linked in the cards above for you. And now for the fun part. So, doing a black lipstick is, or putting lipstick on really, is kind of self-explanatory. Just follow your lip line. If you want to overdraw, I don't blame you. The darker the lip color, the smaller it's going to make your lips look. So when I do black lipstick, I tend to overdraw my lips a tiny bit. This is going to sound weird, but if you have it, you'll understand. Some people have like a double lip line, if that makes any sense. Basically, you have your, you know, the colored part of your lip, and there's like a little bit extra that's not colored, if that makes any sense. I'll just usually follow that second line. Any more than that, and I tend to look crazy. Some recommendations though for black liquid lipsticks. The one I'm using is from Wet n Wild, it's from their Halloween collection, so I'm not sure if you can get that. But there's also the Kat Von D ones. I know Jeffree Star has one. I believe Dose of Colors has a black liquid lip. And you can also do a black lipstick as well. For that, I would definitely recommend a lip liner. Urban Decay has one of those. And then on top of the lips, the whole inspiration for this is I basically just put blue glitter on my mouth to kind of tie them together. And I've been doing this with different colored glitters at work, and it actually looks really, really cool. I did one with orange, one with pink. It looks awesome. And there's minimal effort required to make it look cool. Basically, you just put it on, blend it as much as you can, and if you need a little bit more, you just add more. But that is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had fun doing this one. This is my I need to look put together, and like I really tried, but I didn't kind of look. Anybody else have a look like that? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more of what comes out of my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. But more importantly, let me know what your I'm too lazy for this, please help me look is. I would really like to know that I'm not the only one who has one of those. See you guys next time. Bye!